Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do a quick little lesson about beat and rhythm. And if you remember last time we were together way back at Valentine's Day, we did a little bit of an activity with these hearts with creating a beat and a rest pattern. So you guys helped me to put together a pattern of beats and rests, and then we clapped out that pattern. Today we're going to go a little bit deeper and we're going to talk about beats and rhythm. Now, musicians or even dancers, if you're not a musician or you like dance, they often need to know about beat and the rhythm to music or songs to help them understand or play that song. So today we have up here my chart and you'll see a heart and the word beat. I chose a heart because your heart is always keeping the same beat. That means it never changes. And that's true for a song too. The beat in a song will never change, but the rhythm can. So I have here my story, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, which I bet is a story a lot of you have already read before. And we're going to use just parts of this story to help us learn a little bit more about finding the rhythm in a song, not just keeping the beat, because you guys are pretty good at keeping the beat. So if you'd like to help me, you can get an instrument maybe that you have at home to help keep the beat while we read the first part of the story. I'm going to use the back of my ukulele and I'm just going to tap it. Maybe you have a drum at home that you could tap, or maybe you have your shaker that we made the other day. You could use that and you could shake the beat to the story. Or if you don't, you could pat your lap or even clap your hands. Okay? So here we go. Get ready. Okay. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. We said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, L-M-N-O-P. N, Q, R, S, and T, U, V. Still more, W, and X, Y, Z. The whole alphabet of the oh no. And we're going to pause there. So, if you look up here, I have the words chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? And I need your help figuring out the rhythm. We have our beat here, and that's shown by each of the hearts. You're going to figure out the rhythm by listening to how many sounds there are on each beat. So here we have chicka. Let's see, how many sounds do we hear? Chicka. That's 1, 2 sounds. So I'm going to draw 2 lines. 1, 2. Chicka, chicka. Let's say it again. Chicka. 2 sounds. Boom. 1 sound. Boom. 1 sound. Let's do the next row. Will there. Let's see. Will there. 2 sounds. Now here, if you notice, I took the E from the word enough and I added it to this beat because part of the word enough happened on that beat. So we have B-E, B-E. That's 2 sounds. That's a tricky one. Nuff, nuff. 1 sound. Room. 1 sound. So now we've figured out the rhythm for this part of our story. This rhythm would sound a little bit different if we clap it out or pat it out or drum it out than our beat does. Okay, so listen just to the beat. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? And now, if we play the rhythm, that means we have to, when we see 2 lines, make 2 taps. Or if we see 1 line, we make 1 tap. So here we go. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Will there be enough room? Hopefully you can hear the difference there. Now here's your turn to try to figure out one on your own. I'll give you a minute. Skit, scat, scoodle, doot. Let's see if you can figure out the rhythm for that. Skit. How many sounds do you hear? That's right, you hear 1 sound. Scat. How many sounds do you hear? That's right, 1 sound. Scoodle. How many sounds do you hear in scoodle? That's right, 2 sounds. So you're going to make 2 lines. And the last one is doot. How many sounds in doot? That's right, 1 sound. So now you figured out the rhythm for that line of the story. Let's pat it out. Skit, scat, scoodle, doot. All right. I hope you had fun. And if you have this book at home, you could figure out even more rhythms for the book, or you could keep reading the rest of the book, keeping the beat. And I also will have a little page that you can color and try to figure out the rhythm for, and I'll send it to your teachers. So I hope you had fun and learned a little bit of something about beats and rhythm. Bye, guys.